boys and girls? Well done, people that know my name. It's Miss Scott, and I'm doing your assembly today instead of Mrs. Levine. So this week, you've all been learning about kindness. So I've got a few things to show you and some questions to ask, and then I've heard you've all learned a song to sing at the end. Is that right? Good. Okay. Now, I've got a new word I want you all to remember this week and next week and the week after, which is fair, and all those letters stand for things that I'm going to tell you about this afternoon. Okay? The first letter F stands for friends. Can you put your hand up if you know what makes a good friend? What do you think? Don't know. Who else can help me? What makes a good friend? So here's your good friends. Do we know what kind of things make good friends? Who's got their hand up? Oh, you're sitting nicely. Okay, so one of the things that is good friends is being kind to each other. Okay, can you be kind to the person next to you and tell them something you really like about them? To say something kind to your friend. Excellent. Okay. Now, hands down just now. I want you to put your hand up if you think what I say next is true, if it's correct. Okay, I haven't said it yet, so keep your hands down. Do you think friends always have to like the same things? Okay. Do you think a friend always has to agree with you? Does it mean if your friend plays with someone else that they don't like you anymore? Does your friend accept you and like you just for who you are? Yes, good. Okay, is it true that the more friends you have, the better? What about if it's just one or two really good friends? Okay. Hands up, or you can say yes or no, if friends always stand up for each other. And have a careful think about this. If your friend is being unkind to somebody, should you do that? Excellent. And what about the last one? Friendship is not always easy. Sometimes it takes hard work. Well done, you seem to be experts on being good friends. Now this is a big word your teachers might have to help you with. Being assertive. Okay? Now, I need some volunteers to help me, so if your hands are up, I will come and find you. I need someone to tell me what's happening in this picture and what you think this person could do to be a good friend. I'm going to have to point to people because I don't know names. Good. You come tell me. Come on. What would that person do to be a good friend?
Well, she could be a nice friend to her. What do you think?
Thank you very much. Those people are not letting her be their friend, so a good thing to do would to be nice to her. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I need another volunteer. You. Yeah, come on. Oh, you can both come. Okay, have a look at the picture and can you tell me what do you think is happening?
Someone is very good at football and they're laughing at him.
Okay, and can you help me? What do you think that person is pointed to? What should they do?
Figure out with they can all be friends again.
Excellent, thank you both very much. If they figure it out, they can all be friends and join in together. So a really good answer. I've got one more. Come to the side. Yes. No? Okay, you tell me what's happening in the picture at the bottom.
Ponies are being naughty to each other.
Okay, so the ponies are not being friends, and they could, that person could go and be kind, couldn't they? Thank you all very much. Well done. Okay, someone who's being assertive stands up for people that are being kind. They don't just stand back in the background and let it happen, and they don't get angry or aggressive and shout at people either. So hands up if you think you can stand up for people who are being kind. Excellent, thank you. Okay, now this is tricky. The I in the word fair stands for I statements. Would you like it if someone said, hey, you took the ball? That's not fair. Would it be nicer, would it be more kind if you said, I am feeling left out? I would really like a turn. Okay, let's try one more. Would you like it if someone said, you ruined my picture? I'm telling on you. Would it be okay to say, I'm really sad my picture got damaged. I worked really hard on it. Okay, thank you, because one sounds more kind, doesn't it? Now, the last thing is actually a story, because you've listened to me talking very patiently. Now is a story about the word respect. Put your hand up if you think you know what respect means. Excellent. Now let me see if we can listen to a story.
Gilbert the goat learns respect. Gilbert loved school and his friends, but he didn't always respect others. When it was time to wash his hands, Gilbert pushed up to the sink so he could be first. And his friend said, Gilbert, please don't do that. When Gilbert got excited, he knocked down the blocks. And everyone said, Gilbert, please don't do that. During quiet time, Gilbert was noisy, and everybody said, Gilbert, please don't do that. Gilbert bumped against his friend's paintings while they were drying. His friend said, Gilbert, please don't do that. Sometimes Gilbert shouted out in class when it wasn't his turn. The teacher said, "Gilbert, please don't do that." At snack time, Gilbert ate the snack, the napkin, and the plate. This time, the teacher said, "Gilbert, we need to talk." Gilbert, how would you like it if the other children pushed ahead of you, or knocked down your things, or spoke when it was your turn? Gilbert thought about how sometimes he wasn't careful around his friends. He promised he'd try to be more respectful to others and their things. The next day, when Gilbert came to school, he was very careful. He didn't push, shove, or eat the napkins. Gilbert was very careful and respectful to all his friends. And they all said, "Gilbert, that was really nice."
Have one more thing to do. Thank you for listening and waiting. I heard that you've all learned a song this week about being kind to your friends. Is that right? Okay, could you teach me that song? Because I need some help from your teachers. Because I don't know the song, so it's something you can teach me now. Okay? Teachers, do boys and girls need to stand up or sit down? Everybody stand up, please.